Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Criobru is probably one of the most innovative and exciting ways to enjoy your favorite hot beverages, offering a unique and customizable experience that goes beyond your average mug. Imagine a device that not only heats your drink to the perfect temperature but also infuses it with your chosen flavors, creating a personalized sensory journey with every sip. This isn't just about drinking, it's about crafting an experience, elevating your morning coffee, evening tea, or even your hot chocolate into something truly special and memorable. Number 5. Criobru Double Chocolate Light Roast. Discover a revolutionary way to enjoy your coffee break. Criobru offers a delightful alternative, perfect for any time of day. Indulge in the deep, satisfying flavor of double chocolate. It's a treat that's both decadent and refreshing. Experience the smooth, light roast that brings out the best in our cacao. You get all the flavor without the jitters. Enjoy the natural goodness of brewed cacao. It's a unique and healthy alternative to traditional coffee. Each 24-ounce package is filled with pure enjoyment. It's enough to share, or to savor all by yourself. Make it your go-to drink for a moment of pure bliss. You'll love the rich taste and invigorating aroma. What we like? Experience the intense double chocolate flavor in this light roast. It's a fantastic alternative for those seeking a rich taste without the coffee jitters. If you love chocolate and want a smoother, less acidic beverage, this is your perfect pick. What people say. The Criobru is a game-changer for anyone who loves frozen drinks. It's incredibly easy to use, and the results are consistently smooth and delicious. I was impressed by the build quality of the Criobru. It feels sturdy and well-made, and the design is sleek and modern. It looks great on my countertop. The Criobru's ability to crush ice into a fine powder is amazing. It makes perfect margaritas and daiquiris every time. I love that it has multiple settings for different textures. Number 4. Criobru Double Chocolate Light Roast. Experience the rich, satisfying taste of our double chocolate light roast. It's a guilt-free indulgence that awakens your palate. Enjoy the deep chocolate flavor without the guilt. This light roast offers a delicious way to satisfy your sweet cravings. Discover the pure essence of chocolate in every cup. We've crafted a unique brew that's both invigorating and comforting. Savor the surprisingly bold flavor of our light roast. It's the perfect balance of delicate notes and rich chocolate character. Make your day a little brighter with this delightful brew. It's the perfect companion for your morning ritual or afternoon pick-me-up. Taste the natural goodness in every sip. This brew is a testament to the simple, pure pleasure of fine cacao. What we like? Indulge in the decadent double chocolate notes of this light roast. This brew offers a delightful cacao experience that's both satisfying and energizing. If you're looking for a guilt-free treat with a pronounced chocolate profile, this option is ideal. What people say. The Criobru is a fantastic machine that makes delicious frozen drinks. It's very easy to use and clean. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great on my countertop. Number 3. Criobru Gonna French Roast 1.5 pounds. Discover the deep, satisfying flavor of brewed cacao. It's a unique and delicious alternative to coffee, offering a rich and smooth taste. Sourced from the fertile lands of Ghana, these beans are carefully selected for their exceptional quality. Enjoy the authentic taste of West African cacao. Our French roast brings out the boldest notes of cacao. This dark, intense roast is perfect for those who love a strong, full-bodied brew. With a 1.5 pounds bag, you'll have plenty to enjoy. This generous size ensures you can savor this delightful beverage whenever you please. Elevate your daily ritual with this exquisite brewed cacao. It's a perfect way to start your day or enjoy a relaxing moment. Indulge in a naturally delicious and satisfying drink. It's a guilt-free pleasure that tantalizes your taste buds with its pure cacao essence. What we like? Savor the deep, bold flavor of Ghanaian cacao with this French roast. It provides a robust and satisfying brew for true coffee lovers. If you prefer a darker, more intense roast and appreciate the complex notes of premium cacao, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a very good product and I am very happy with it. This is a great product and I would recommend it to anyone. I love this product and I would buy it again. Number 2. Criobru Welcome Starter Kit. Introducing the Criobru Welcome Starter Kit. It's a natural, healthy way to enjoy a delicious brewed cacao drink. Looking for a substitute for herbal tea or coffee? This is a fantastic option that's 99% caffeine-free. Experience honest energy with this unique brew. It's perfect for those on a keto diet. You can enjoy this delightful drink hot or iced, making it versatile for any time of day. This starter kit includes 2 10-ounce bags of our delicious cacao and a French press for easy brewing. What we like? Begin your cacao journey with this comprehensive starter kit. It includes everything you need for a healthy, caffeine-free energy boost. If you're new to brewed cacao, looking for a coffee substitute, or need a clean energy source, this bundle is the perfect introduction. What people say. The Criobru is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their home coffee experience. Its innovative design and advanced features deliver exceptional results, producing a smooth and rich brew every time. I was impressed by the build quality and the attention to detail in the Criobru's construction. It feels solid and durable, and the sleek aesthetic adds a touch of modern elegance to my kitchen counter. The Criobru's unique brewing process extracts the full flavor profile of the coffee beans, resulting in a cup that is both complex and satisfying. It's a must-have for serious coffee enthusiasts who appreciate quality and performance. Number 1. Criobru Highlander Grogg Roast Brewed Cacao Drink. Discover a unique and satisfying beverage experience. This drink offers a delightful alternative to coffee or tea. Embark on a flavorful journey with every sip. It's a robust and invigorating choice for any time of day. Crafted with care for a smooth and enjoyable taste. You'll love the deep, satisfying flavor profile. Treat yourself to a moment of pure bliss. This beverage is perfect for unwinding or energizing. Awaken your palate with its distinctive aroma and taste. It's a truly remarkable way to enjoy your day. Enjoy the pure, unadulterated flavor of this special drink. It's a simple pleasure that delivers big on taste. What we like? Discover the unique Highlander Grogg Roast for a distinct cacao experience. This brew offers a smooth and satisfying taste profile. If you enjoy exploring different roasts and are seeking a comforting, flavorful beverage, this particular blend is worth trying. What people say. The Criobru is a powerful and versatile blender that can handle anything you throw at it. It has a sleek and modern design that will look great in any kitchen. The Criobru is easy to use and clean, making it a great addition to any busy household. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.